What if I told you we're already 3D printing entire houses? Just a few years ago, 3D printing seemed like science fiction. Now, it's changing industries. From custom prosthetics that fit perfectly to eco-friendly ways of building homes in 24 hours, 3D printing is revolutionizing how we create. Even in medicine, doctors are printing organs for transplants. We're not just talking small gadgets. 3D printing is transforming how we live, heal, and innovate. The future is being built layer by layer, and it's already here. So, what would you print?